morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Go ahead, do attendance question, agenda. Yes, I watched the instruction video. Our slideshow today goes over what we're doing in class. We're finishing up our energy transformation projects, and we are talking about our bottle rockets. Now, please note that we have this timeline on here. So like Monday through next Thursday. But please note that this might change just because of things like weather or just we take more or less time doing something. So this is about what we're going to be doing, but just know that it might change. So speaking of bottle rockets, go ahead and open up your bottle rocket. And like even the schedule's already changed from what is right here. This is just about what we're going to do, but just know that for order, we're basically going to be doing things in the order that's shown here. So what you hopefully did yesterday was the purpose, materials, and research. Today, you're going to be working on control rocket, hypothesis, drawings, variables, and control. And then you have rubric way down here. So that is what we're looking at today. So again, what you did did you finish these 3 sections yesterday? Yes, I did. And if I didn't, I'll stop and do them right now by going into yesterday's daily assignment to know what to do. What you're doing today. So go through the daily slideshow above to answer those questions. So as we go through here, what we're talking about today, we're talking about variables. So going over control rockets. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to work on this control rocket and write down things for the control rocket. Then you're going to choose which one you want to change. So you're either going to change the number of wings, the wing shape, the weight in the nose cone, or the amount of water. So the control amount is 3 wings, this wing shape 20 grams in the nose cone, and 750 milliliters of water. So decide which one you want to change based on your research from yesterday. And decide what you want to change it to. So if you want to change the number of wings to 5, then that is what you're changing to, or amount of water to 900, whatever it might be. And then in your hypothesis, you're going to write, if I change whatever variable you're choosing to change, so like amount of water. If I change the amount of water to whatever you're going to change it to, say you're going to change it to 900 milliliters. If I change the amount of water to 900 milliliters, then the rocket will fly farther. That is your hypothesis, and that is what you'll write in the hypothesis section. And then variables and control. For the variables and control, the independent variable is what you change. Dependent variable is what you measure. So independent variable is what you just decided to change. So in my case, I said the amount of water. Dependent was what we're measuring, which is how far it flies, which is in our hypothesis here. So if I change this variable, it'll fly farther. So distance you chose to change, distance it flies. And then controls. Those are the 3 things you didn't change. So since I changed the amount of water, your controls will be number of wings, wing shape, and weight in nose cone. And then last thing, drawing. So this is what you're working on for the rest of class. And then into tomorrow, if needed, you are going to design your rocket. So go ahead. Yes, I just did it. Which variable do you choose to focus on? So I said amount of water. Obviously, you're doing whichever one you want. Check which one is which. For the drawing, for your rocket, you will draw it on paper, then upload a clear picture of it to the Google Doc. It should be detailed enough that I know what each variable is and what it will look like. When you upload it to the Google Doc, make sure you can read what it says. Do you understand what you're supposed to do for the following? So yes, if I don't, I'll read instructions again, watch the instruction video again, and then contact my teacher with any other questions. So that's what you're doing today. And then grade check. Everything has been changed to 50%, so it'll still say missing in the comments, but it won't have that little missing symbol. And then lastly, just make sure you filled out everything here. And with that, have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.